welcome to a quick unboxing of more parts for the Jeep, M38A1 Jeep. This time it is from Peter Debella in the United States of America. Met with a load of flow pack. So there are three items in this delivery. I think I need to get a sharper knife. Oh, nearly a disaster. So that's a carburetor kit for the M38A1. And it's all of the bits and pieces to do a recon of your carburetor. Inside you have a photocopy of all the parts and a breakdown of the carburetor itself. I don't actually need it at the moment, but from my point of view it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it, within reason, obviously. The next one are excuse the dog, a fan belt set for the M38 and M38A1. I'll leave them as they are, just servicing items. And then in this one you have a steering stabilizer kit, and that's for the M38A1 Jeep. And here's the instructions. And it basically is just there to stabilize the steering, where you can have, I think some people call it death wobble. So it just stabilizes the steering. I think from my point of view, my steering box might be on the way out, but hopefully this will help it a little bit. Made in China. These parts. At some point in the future I'll be fitting all of this to the Jeep, so watch this space. See you later.